So what I'm trying to say is, when you walk in, yeah, at first, hi guys, then she can't come here, can't sit down. Definitely, it will be something of what's going on.
Anyways, welcome back to your number one favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. In this channel, we'll give you interesting content as it day hot. Yeah, it's not news that in the Big Brother NAIJA season 6, Shine Your Eyes has actually begun on Saturday. A double launch program, and on Sunday was the girls coming in, while on Saturday the guys actually set in. Yeah, it's been a wonderful one so far. Guys, did you see what the guys did? Hey, seriously, these guys are, I don't even know what to call them in my words. I would say mean, I would say radical, I would say brutal, I would say wow. Yeah, it was actually an interesting one for we the viewers. I don't know if you watched it, but you would have a short clip from what's happened. The guys actually decided to mute the ladies as they were coming into the show. As they were entering the house, they just made them like this kind of cold welcome. Like the agreement was that as they are coming in, they would just tell them, shh. Imagine you entering somewhere, you expected to be excited, like, wow, finally I am here. But next is something else. Like the environment was just so cold. Like, this is he too cold, didn't he say? Seriously, plus the AC joined the matter again. It's not even over cold. It remained for it to hide. We're supposed to go to Atlanta or Australia there and go and sit down. Yeah, guys, this was the plan of the guys over the night and the morning hours of that day, being Sunday. Actually, the ladies were supposed to set in. They all put on their boxers on top of their head, as if no, they are mourning for somebody. Me too, I don't know. Guys, please comment in the comment section below what you thought of the guys, how their action was. Did you enjoy it? Did you catch fun with it? How did you feel at the start of the whole thing? How did you see it? Was it boring? For me, it was quite boring because the whole was not there. The whole jubilation was not there, and the girls were sitting there like, shh. And on the girls' angle, I could see some of them felt like they wanted to cry. Some of them were like, am I in the wrong place? Like, are you sure I'm in the right house? And yeah, some girls that did not even know the plan from the beginning. You yourself, you're seeing other ladies coming in. Instead of you to just gyrate and just fashy the guys, since they are snubbing you, you to snub them and flow with your girls. You're now joining the guys to tell other ladies, shh. You see, as wahala they start. Wait till you don't know the head, you just follow inside the middle, go the ending before you can't know the beginning. Yeah, guys, that's how it was. And then one of them had to fake up the asthma attack or whatever it was and fell off. All of them ran to the guy to see how to his rescue, and guys, the girls were like, some of them were like, well, they were laughing and the whole stuff. Ebuka this was say, guys, that's mean. Big Brother was like, I don't know why the guys actually decided to pull up this prank, but whichever way, it was cool and fun though, because I did enjoy it at the end of it all. But in the beginning, trust me, it was no nice. Yeah, guys, Big Brother has given the housemates the first task for the week, which is finding out the 2 wild cards in the house.
The game began the moment you each walked into the house. That is why 2 of you are wild cards.
I was actually suspicious, so when I saw that 11 guys entered the house, later 11 girls entered the house. I know over the years and over time, there are always 20 housemates, but I'm like 22 housemates. Then there is more to this. And here is Big Brother coming to reveal to us that there are 2 wild cards in the house. That implies 2 fake housemates. And then the task given to the housemates is for them to be able to fish out whom these 2 fake housemates are. And if they're able to fish out whom these 2 fake housemates are on Sunday, they will be evicted out of the house. But if they are unable to identify whom these 2 fake housemates is, they remain in the house and compete and contest for the money. Until further notice, they are immune to any possible nomination. Ha. Until we hear further things from Big Brother, it's okay. Yeah, the housemates are on a hunt, and they also have another task, which is get to know yourself. We know how this game always plays out. Like, seriously? Okay, guys, please stay glued to your television, okay? Okay, guys, stay glued to your television and comment in the comment section down below whom you actually suspect. I think I have my own suspect. I will not tell you. Tell me your own first. I'll tell you my own. Okay, who do you suspect? In my own opinion, I feel it's one guy and one girl. Yeah, it's a guy and a girl. These are the two. But which of the guy and which of the girl? Seriously, these two fake housemates will really play a very cool game, not to reveal themselves to the people. Okay, furthermore, on Thursday is going to be there'll be a diary section with Big Brother, and with the viewers we are going to know whom those fake housemates are. It's going to start by 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is when the diary section is gonna begin, so please stay glued so we ourselves will know whom those fake housemates are. Don't forget the rules and regulation I read to you. Big Brother doesn't reveal anything that's going on in the outside world to the housemates inside. So it's just for me and you. This housemates have no idea and would not be able to know whom they are. It's a privilege. Yeah, guys, still your number one YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Stay tuned with me, please. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?